how to add image links on Wix. Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how you guys can add in image links on Wix. So the process is very easy. Simply open up Wix and then on the left side click on the plus button, and then now from over here simply click on image, and then now from over here simply drag and drop any one of these options. So if you want to add images from Instagram or Facebook, click on these options. If you want to add image collections, simply click on these options. If you just want to add one image, click on the first one, and then after that that's going to be added over here on your Wix page. So now from over here it's going to ask you what media do you guys want to add in over here. So over here you guys can either click on upload media, or you guys can just simply attach the link of any media that you guys want. So for example, if you have the link to a particular image, you guys can click on link URL, and then after that simply paste that link URL over here. You guys can also add in images from Google Drive, Facebook, Instagram, Dropbox, Google Photos, Vimeo, Flickr, DeviantArt, and Dribbble as well. So guys, that is how easy it is for you guys to add in media by simply pasting a link for your image, and then you will be able to add that image using that image link. So guys, that is how easy it is. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.